Even as Sushant Singh Rajput's death probe intensifies, now central agencies have been pressed into action to find out discrepancies or irregularities in Sushant Singh's financial trail. Now, the Enforcement Directorate has come into picture. They are probing money laundering allegations which have been made by Sushant Singh Rajput's family members. In fact, the Enforcement Directorate now has summoned Rhea Chakravarti for questioning on the 7th of August. Sushant's family members, in fact, had filed an FIR with the Bihar police claiming that Rhea Chakravarti had siphoned off close to 15 crore rupees off from Sushant Singh's accounts into unknown accounts. Now, this is exactly the center focus of the Enforcement Directorate's probe. In fact, it is said that the ED has got some leads on the case. They have identified that Rhea Chakravarti has allegedly bought some high-value property. Here, she's purchased property which is quite expensive, while her income does not justify for it. As per reports, the Enforcement Directorate is all set to slap charges under the PMLA Act, the Prevention for Money Laundering Act. And we know that officials have now said that Enforcement Case Information Report, the ECIR, has now been filed against her name in the Bihar Police FIR, which also includes Rhea Chakravarti, her family members, and 6 others. The CBI also is now all set to file its FIR soon. One should remember that Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakravarti were involved in 3 startup companies. In fact, Sushant and Rhea were directors, along with Rhea Chakravarti's brother as well, to 3 different startup companies, 3 different varied businesses that they had. The 3 companies were into different fields like artificial intelligence, healthcare, and now the Enforcement Directorate is going to be probing into the scope, the magnitude of these businesses, whether there were any irregularities in the finances of these businesses, and if these business dealings really led to Sushant's alleged financial ruin as claimed by Sushant's family. The first company of Sushant Singh Rajput was called Insay Ventures, which was established in 2018. In fact, this company worked towards exploration, research of multiple verticals in avenues like films, health, education, incubation, virtual reality, and even intellectual property. And the second company that Rhea and Sushant started together was called Vivid Rage Realitics. This company was established in September 2019, had 3 directors including Sushant, Rhea and Shoubik Chakravarti, who is Rhea Chakravarti's brother. And the third company that they started together was called the Front India World Foundation. This company had 2 directors. It had Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakravarti's brother, Shoubik Chakravarti, who were directors. And this company was entirely aimed at healthcare. They intended to eradicate poverty, some social service that they wanted to do on malnutrition, on hunger. The company was started with great intentions. The paid up capital to this company too is 1 lakh rupees, and the registered address is the same as Vivid Rage Realitics. Now, we should remember that the Enforcement Directorate has already summoned Sushant Singh Rajput's chartered accountant as well as Rhea Chakravarti's chartered accountant. In fact, Sandeep Nair, who's Sushant's CA, has categorically said, even to India Today, that Sushant did not have that kind of money in the first place. And even if there was any transfer to Rhea Chakravarti's account, it was very basic, maybe in thousands. But Sushant Singh's family has very clearly mentioned in the FIR alleging Rhea Chakravarti of misusing funds in Sushant's accounts, accused her of siphoning off close to 15 crore rupees. In fact, Sushant Singh's family also accused Rhea and her family members of misusing Sushant Singh Rajput's credit cards as well. The matter is now with the CBI. They are investigating the case.